This RGB acrylic version was custom made for a fan. I'm sharing the full build tutorial. The total cost is only about 50 bucks. First up is the custom 8mm thick acrylic panel. After unboxing it, check whether the cutouts are correctly sized. Then use acrylic glue to join the pieces. Remember to apply small amounts multiple times. Here I forgot to order the proper front panel cutout, so don't make the same mistake. Mark the size and position carefully, then drill and secure it with screws. Install the speaker terminals. Direct soldering works too. Be sure to connect the amplifier and test everything before final assembly. Mark the speaker positions, drill the holes, and fasten them with screws. Never use self-tapping screws directly on acrylic, always pre-drill first, or it may crack. Next comes the circuit section. This time, adding lights was strongly requested. The 12-volt LED strip is soldered from the back of the amplifier board to the power input, with a switch added in between to control the lighting. After testing to make sure everything works, move on to the next step. The speaker front panel is also installed using acrylic glue. Then attach the LED strip with hot glue or super glue. Since the fan asked not to seal the enclosure, planning to finish that part themselves, you only need to clean the fingerprints inside. Finally, use super glue to attach the astronaut figurine. This part can be customized however you like.